Thursday. We left Kentucky Horse Park around 11 o'clock. We are on our way to Turkey Run, or Turkey Foot, or whatever it is, west of Indianapolis. Smooth sailing so far. We stopped at a rest area to make some sandwiches, and we're going to hang out for a little bit. Well, you can see we got the camp all set up. We thought it'd be a good time to take a walk and explore the local scenery. I've got to tell you, this is a nice park. Turkey Run State Park, Marshall, Indiana. It's west of Indianapolis. I highly recommend it. We got there, the place was pretty empty. As the day went on though, the place really filled up. We had a ton of RVs that just came right in front of our spot. It was quiet the whole time, by the way, but there were a lot of people there. It was pretty cool. This is definitely a place we want to revisit. We want to bring our bicycles, explore the local landscape. We want to ride around, take some hikes, and really get to know the area. And it's only about 4 hours from the Chicago area, so we'll be back. As always, thanks for stopping by the channel. We were able to knock off another state on our adventures, and we'll be back again soon with our next trip. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.